Day 234 of my body transformation. Simula na naman ng program natin. Back and biceps ang workout natin today. Kaya kailangan may energy tayo bago mag-gym. Every workout session, we try our best to increase the weight we lift little by little. Madalas, kahit kaya natin dagdagan ng mas mabigat, mas pinipili natin ang small increments para mas consistent ang progress natin. Kapag biglaan kasi ang add ng mabigat na weight, mas mabilis din magplateau ang strength natin. Ang goal natin is magdagdag every week paunti-unti rather than magdagdag na marami tapos hindi na makapag-increase after. May factor din ang diet sa ability natin to do progressive overload. By increasing our carbs and keeping our protein intake at the minimum level, mas naprepreserve natin ang energy natin without compromising the recovery of our body. Hindi lang protein ang mahalaga if you want to build muscles. Without carbs, our muscle will not have the energy needed to train, therefore hindering our growth. Dahan-dahan man ang progress natin, but if we continue doing things properly and patiently, siguradong tuloy-tuloy lang ang progress natin. Yan na muna ngayon. Bukas ulit.